Meaning of 6 words, if you can understand and realize, then all the controversies will end. History will also be clear. First thing I request to try to understand the word Aryan or Aryo. Aryo or Aryan is not ethnic word. When Lord Sri Krishna rebuked his friend Arjuna in Gita, he said, why you are behaving just like Onarjo? It is adjective word. Arjo means to want to go ahead, Riddhotor Agravati. Want to go ahead. It is not ethnic word, but teacher. Next, Kshatriya. Kshatriya is not neither ethnic group nor indicating a caste. It is an adjective word. Anybody can be Kshatriya provided he observes only qualities that require to be employed as Kshatriya. Then Dravir, some of the paper readers use the word Dravir. Dravir means original, Adim. The word Dravir actually means original or Adim. So whenever we say, we accept it, Dravir means Adim Matinda, then many things will be, many confusions will go away. Then Brahmin. The Brahmin word is also neither ethnic nor caste. It is a quality adjective word. Anybody having Brahmagyan, bring word up in Brahmagyan, wider knowledge, is a Brahmin. You can understand it. Then one word, Osur. Osur means what we think generally is not that. Osur means Osu Ase Jar. Osur means in Rigbed, Osur means Shakti. Shakti Jar Ase, he is Osur. Then Devata. Devata is also not what we generally think. Devata means Sanskrit word, Devata, who is a Divya Bhagavad actor. Say Devata. If we think these words as realize, then many of our confusion and subdivide policy of the intellectual people to whom will be go finished. Now what we should do? I have written one book. This is called Rajvanshi Janagosti Itihas, Sanskrit. It is a big book. You will get it there. You first read it. Many confusions I have tried to wash up there. Then my appeal to you all, instead of quarreling each other, fighting each other on airy words, let us all, one to all, try to kill one demon. Let us jointly kill one demon. একটা দৈত্যকে নিধন করিবার জন্য এখন সবাই প্রতিজ্ঞাবদ্ধ হল। এই ডেমনটার নাম হলো, নামটা পৌরাণিক নাম, পুরাণে আছে ধূম্ররসন দৈত্য। It is not my name, I have not given this name. The name of this daitya is Dhumra-Rasan daitya. Dhumra means dhua, smoke. Rasan means drishti. Smoke, ধোঁয়ার মধ্য দিয়া যদি আমি কোনো কিছু দেখি সেটা ক্লিয়ার সাইট না হয়, এই জন্য লিটিল লার্নিং ইজ ডেঞ্জারাস। আমার উপর অনেক কিছু বহুতে অনেক কিছু লেখছে, লেখা সেইগুলোকে নিয়ে আমরা ঝগড়া করি, আসলে সেটা নয়। This is one, and they are the ancient ethnic group of India, if not India, Northeast India. Ancient most. They have got very close relation with the Kosaris, first-class Hari means descendant, Hari Kosar, with the Ravas, from the word Rava means invited cost, with the Garos, descendant of Kosti Garo, as well as with many other things. If you can try to realize, then you will get that process. were the ancient-most ethnic group of Northeast India. And some of them, in different parts, at different times, used to rule. So, those ruled. Their family members had to make relations with the other men, women. So, just a just was aristocratic family. So, they used to call themselves, we belong to royal family. Raja Bangsa in Pratyajoge Raja Bangsi. So, this is only a part of that. All people are not Rajbansis. All people are royal process. As from Jogini Tantra Purana and Kalika Purana in the history of Herodotus, Greek history, everywhere it is referred there. You please inquire, and whenever we speak all this, you will be admitted that process alliance for the Rajbansis are the ancient-most people of Northeast India. And we have lost many of our language, just like others. The Pawaniya Kosari, they do not understand how can speak this Kosari language. Just like Sonawar Kosaris, they are Kosaris, but they cannot speak Sonawar Kosari language. Just like that, we also lost many of our identity, many of our ancient habits. So I request you all to conduct a series of research work. You are very interested, I have observed, and I hope future of the Rajbansis rest with you on your sincerity and honestness. With this much, those who submitted their papers and without, I thank you all for taking pains in preparing these papers, as well as those who organized this one, the nice one, done proper time, this peace cross royalty, at this time of peace cross royalty. This is to be otherwise now we should try to first of all again I said to kill Dhamdara. That means little learning is dangerous thing. Alpovidya bhayokon. They alpovidya to আমি শেষ করব লাগে। এই alpovidya বেত্তকটা যদি শেষ না করুন তাহলে অন্যই আমাকে ভাগ ভাগ করিয়া ডিভাইড এন্ড রুল এইটা এতদিন আমার উপর চালাই আছে আরো চালাবে কত প্রোটেস্ট করবে জল টিপিলে আলো এই যুগে আমাকে ডিভাইড এন্ড রুল করিয়া কত যে শাস্ত্রর কথা কত যে হিটলারি শাস্ত্র আমার তো রচনা করুন নাই এই জন্য আপনার সবাইকে অনুরোধ করি এজ এ চেয়ারম্যান অফ দিস সেমিনার I request you all again to remove, to kill Tumro Datta. Thank you very much.